Good morning, students. Next problem, IT paper. Consider a circuit comprising only resistors with constant resistance and ideal independent voltage sources. If all the resistances are scaled down by a factor 10 and all source voltages are scaled up by a factor 10, the power dissipated in the circuit scales up by a factor of dash. So this is a general problem. So one should know what is scaling factor. I would like to remind you operational amplifiers. In the case of operational amplifiers, for inverting mode op amp, we have V naught equal to minus RF by R1 into V input. This RF by R1 is what is called as scale factor. It is, for example, if it is greater than 1, it is going to boost up the input voltage. Okay, that is what scale factor. In this problem, first we shall understand. First, let us understand scale up, scale down. For example, if a value x is given, if a value x is given, scale up by a factor 10. Scale up by a factor 10 means 10x. For example, x is 1 ohms, then it becomes 10 ohms, 10x. Scale down means scale down factor 10 means if x is given, it becomes scaling down means it becomes x by 10. For example, if x is 10, it becomes 1. That is what scale up, scale down. Now in this problem, let us first assume that the net voltage in the circuit is V. The net voltage in the circuit is V and the net resistance in the circuit is R. Now voltage is scaled up by a factor 10. That means it becomes 10V. R is scaled down by a factor 10. So factor here into 10, whereas here it is 1 by 10. When it is scaled down, it becomes R by 10. Now that is scaling up, scaling down. What is expression for power? Power expression is V squared by R. Power is equal to V squared by R. Now you substitute. So P is equal to V squared by R. That is, I will call this as V1. Original power is P1. Now we consider after scale up and scale down operation, it becomes power P2. Power P2 equals V squared by R. That is 10V whole square by R. R means R by 10 equals 100 V squared divided by R into 10. That is 1000 times V squared by R. 1000. What is V squared by R? V squared by R is P1. Therefore, the new power will be 1000 times original power. Therefore, the power dissipated in the circuit scales up by a factor of 1000. So that ends the problem. Thank you.